Now let us see question number 8 of exercise 6.2. The question says, using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So only the question is given, the diagram is not given. So first I have to draw the diagram. So I have drawn a triangle here. So let this triangle be ABC. Now we have to draw a line that is joining the midpoints. So here is the side of one triangle. From this midpoint I will draw a line like this to join this midpoint. So this is also a midpoint of this side AC, and this is the midpoint of this side AB. So let us name this side DE. So this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Now we have to prove that this line is parallel to the third side. We have to prove that this line is parallel to this line. So we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC using theorem 6.2. Theorem 6.2 is nothing but the converse of basic proportionality theorem. By using that, we can prove that D is parallel to BC. Now we have what is given, AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. So now we can start the proof. Proof is, first we know D is the midpoint. So let us write D is the midpoint of this line segment AB. So therefore AD is equal to DB. This is given. Now I am going to divide by DB on both the sides. So AD by DB is equal to DB over DB. DB over DB. Now what does this equal? AD over DB, it will be as it is. DB and DB will get cancelled and it will become 1. So AD over DB is equal to 1. Now let this be equation number 1. Now you know E is the midpoint of this line segment AC. So E is the midpoint of AC. So therefore AE is equal to EC. Now I am going to divide by EC on both the sides. So AE over EC, because I am dividing by EC, is equal to EC over again EC. Now what will this become? AE over EC will be as it is. AE over EC is equal to, and EC and EC will become cancelled and it will become 1. So it is equal to 1. Now let this be equation number 2. Now you can see equation 1 and equation 2. In the right hand side 1 is there. So that means the left hand side will also be equal to each other. So from equation 1 and 2, AE upon EC is equal to, AE upon EC is equal to AD upon DB. So I am going to shift this. AD upon DB is equal to, I will bring this to here. AE upon EC. Now what is this? AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Now we just proved this fact. So what does this mean? It means that this DE is cutting AB and AC. So that means this DE line is cutting AB and AC into AB and AC in the same ratio. That is why same ratio is coming. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is converse of BPT, if the ratio is same like this, then we can say this cutting line DE is parallel to BC. So line DE divides AB and AC of triangle ABC in same ratio. Therefore DE is parallel to BC. The reason is we use converse of basic proportionality theorem. Hence we have finally proved it.